And we're back. So, bottom half of the door is now fixed. We've got the proper clips in there to hold everything up, but we don't have proper screws. Yay. So, with the repairs done, I have to run up to the store real quick and go get the proper screws for this thing. So, not a major big deal, but the people that worked on this car before us, and I can show this part only because I think it's funny as hell. Another impossible problem solved. Bullshit. So, like I said, we're still chasing wires. And now, yeah, that pan, I've got that pan. I did show you guys the video on that one. Yeah, okay, good. Sorry. I'm going to take a break here in a second from the car because I'm starting to get frustrated. But yeah, we'll have the passenger side door done, screwed into place and tightened. We're waiting on parts to finish off the assembly for here. Get that taken care of. And we'll get everything on here. Yeah. Just a little bit at a time, We've got this and we'll get it done. Okay. Thanks, guys.